Hi, Chad Crouch with MarineMax Lake Ozarks, Missouri. Today I'm on the Boston Whaler 150 SS. What a fantastic boat to get started in a Boston Whaler. Gives you a lot of ability to put the kids on the boat, let them enjoy it, as well as using it as a tender on your cruiser here at the lake. This boat comes standard with the Mercury 60 horsepower EFI command thrust engine, which gives you a great cruise speed of about 23 miles an hour with a top end of over 34 miles an hour. This particular boat is going to come equipped with the optional bimini top. It has the optional windshield. This particular boat is going to give you the full-length helm seat. You do have the optional bucket seats that can be ordered and installed after the fact. This particular boat is going to give you the full-length stainless steel grab handles on both the port and the starboard side. Removable cooler that also seconds for another bench seat. It's going to be a self-bailing cockpit, so you can wash everything out, drain everything out of the boat. Forward, you're going to have another nice area for seating. This boat's rated to 6 passengers, so lots of room inside this boat for a 15-foot boat. You're also going to have a very, very large compartment, both for your anchor and some more storage if you need it. This particular boat comes standard with a galvanized single axle trailer with a swing-away tongue, so you don't have any problems there. It's going to come with a 6.6 gallon fuel tank, which will give you plenty of range for anywhere here on the lake. Well, that's the 150 SS, so please come on our website at marinemax.com 24 hours a day, or give me a shout, Chad Crouch, 573-434-9558, and we'll look forward to seeing you here at the lake.